Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day number 6 out of the 7. So we are so close to our last day, guys. I hope you're following. I hope you're watching. And for those who don't know what we're talking about, we're doing a 7-day challenge where we're showing you guys each of our places in our home, 7 different spaces. And this is a collaboration with my beautiful friends here on YouTube. I have Cindy, Ogo, and Didi Mom the Bus. And what we are doing is a very challenging task. And I hope you guys are liking, I hope you guys are watching and giving us the opportunity to share our homes with you guys. Guys, let's get into the video. So I am decorating my bedroom, which is for today on day number 6 is our bedroom. And my room is very simple, as you can see. But this is nothing new for you. I'm a simple type of girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and change my bed sheets. Guys, just listen to me, okay? My bed sheets, it's a little bit wrinkly because it came out of the machine. So please bear with me. Don't be too harsh on me. But you know what matters is it's clean and it smells good. You guys have a diffuser in your room. Since I started incorporating diffuser in my room, guys, I sleep so much better. Lots of the essential oil make me fall asleep quicker. It smells so good. It keeps my home very clean. It looks clean. And I like the little twinkle twinkle light. So I'm gonna go ahead and use mint and peppermint to make the home feel a little bit just calming. I just love the scent of this. When you're decorating your home, don't forget that this is your happy place, no matter if it's your bedroom, living room. So think about it as something that brings you joy, so they put a lot of love and care to it. That's a little tip I can leave for you guys. Guys, I hope you're still here. I hope you're watching. If you are, thank you. Click on that like button. It really shows, YouTube that people like to watch this video and then they can show it to other people. Guys, don't forget to show the other girls some love. All the link will be in my description below since day 1. Guys, I love taking care of my home. Simplicity for me has become a norm. I just love things that are easy to keep up with, but still look beautiful to the eye. So spraying a little bit fabric freshener on my curtains and on my bed just brings me so much joy. I wanted to finish up the bedroom by adding some pampas grass on my bed. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it, but I like it. I like what it looks like. It gives a little bit of something. My neighbors was doing something else. I was spying on them. So I'm going to go ahead and add some light. This light, I got it for Christmas, but they're very versatile. So you can use it for anything else. So you don't have to, only use it for Christmas, but you can use it like I'm doing right now, just adding a little bit twinkle light. Guys, I'm going to also show you a night view of what it looks like. Oh my God, it just looks super cute. Guys, let's continue watching the video. much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoy. Each of the other girls, like I say, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I would truly appreciate having you here in the little corner of YouTube. It's a hard job. It's a lot of work putting videos together, and I hope you guys will stick to watch each day. Bye guys.